Today, I'm not writing code, I'm commanding a senior full stack lead agent to do it for me. We're building a flower shop from scratch, backend, frontend, and database all at once. Within this workspace, we have defined our project requirement in blueprint.md in .agent folder and established a structured execution strategy in generate-code.md. The blueprint.md file organized into three primary segments. Project architecture, this section defines the technology stack specifying the core dependency for the backend, frontend, and database layer. Technical specification, this part details the functional requirement and technical constraints for both the backend and front-end service. Execution tasks, a granular roadmap outlining the necessary implementation steps. To begin the build, navigate to the agent manager, select the target project, and initialize new conversation thread. Compose a prompt to orchestrate the execution of the blueprint, enabling the agent to scaffold the NestJS backend and Next.js frontend concurrently. Once the prompt is configured, execute the process by clicking Start. The AI agent will first outline an implementation strategy. Once you're ready, click Proceed to begin the project generation process. With the generation complete, please review the project file to identify the component that require manual adjustment. The AI has successfully scaffolded both the backend and frontend. The backend includes a fully configured Prisma schema with local PostgreSQL support, essential module, and core modules. Additionally, a Docker-powered PostgreSQL server is active, preloaded with the necessary tables and mock data. Let's test the project. We can now interface with the front end, which is actually fetching data from the back end. From here, we can test the workflow by adding a new product to the cart. In under 10 minutes, we move from a blank slate to a functional full-stack application. This isn't just a shortcut, it's the illusion of rapid development. If you're ready to build with this blueprint file, you can find the download link in the description below. If you find it valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to ScienTeck to stay ahead of the curve.